Hello there. Today we'll show you how you can download the Biz Analyst desktop app and sync your Tally data with it. First, log on to bizanalyst.in and download the Biz Analyst desktop app to the same system you use to access Tally. Once you install the app, fill out the sign up form or sign in. Ensure you have the licensed Tally software to proceed with the Tally configuration process. Go to Advanced Settings and enable the ODBC server. Enter the same ODBC port number from Tally in the Biz Analyst desktop app, and your Tally configuration is successful. Now, open your desired company in Tally and add the same one to the Biz Analyst desktop app. Select the time zone, month and year, and you're all set. Now, access your Tally data with Biz Analyst anytime and anywhere.